Hello my dear student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing study at your home. Dear student, as you know that school is closed due to cold. We do care for you and your study. Therefore, to keep you updated from coming examination, I am here with a revisional video and notes of social study. So, my dear students, open chapter 13. Let's start chapter 13. Today we are explanation exercise. Okay, students? Morning, noon, afternoon, evening, and night are the different parts of the day. A shadow is a dark shape formed when something blocks out any light. Shadows are long in the morning and evening and short in the afternoon. We can tell the time by looking at clock or watch. Most clocks have two hands. The short hand show the hour and long hand show the minutes. A calendar show a year. A year has 365 days. A year has 365 days. The year is divided into 12 months. 1 year divided into 12 months. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. A week has 7 days. A week has 7 days. They are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay students. So once again summarize word meaning. Exploring new word. Okay. First one, shadow. Shadow, a dark shape formed when something blocks light. A dark shape formed when something blocks light. Okay. Clock, a device which use the time. A device which use the time. Hands of a clock. The long and short arrows that show the hours and the minutes. The long and short arrows that show the hours and minute. Okay. Calendar, a chart which show the day and weeks in a year. A chart which show the day and weeks in a year. Now come to the next question. Filling the blanks. First one, when the sun rises and there is light all around, we say it is dash. We say it is dash morning. MORNING. Okay. Now second one, we can see the moon. We can see the moon and the stars in the sky. Dash night. We can see the moon and the stars in the sky at what time? Night. Spelling of night, NIGST. Okay, now third one, a clock has two dash. A clock has two hands. Hands. A clock has two hands. Now fourth one, a year has dash months. A year has 12 months. Fifth one, a week has dash days. A week has 7 days. Okay, now next, complete the following pairs. So first one, waking up, morning. Walking time, morning. And sleeping time, night. NIGHT, night. Now second one, time, calendar, year, 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 year. Now third one, Monday, week, January dash, January, month, MONTH, month. Now fourth one, year, 365 days, week dash, week, 7 days, 7 days. Week has 7 days. Is that clear? Waking up, morning, sleeping, night. Clock, time, calendar, year. Monday, week, January, month. Year, 365 days, and week, 7 days. Is that clear? Now come to the next question. Choose the correct answer. Evening, first one. Each questions are 3 options, so only one choose the correct, only one option is right. Okay, so first one, evening is when? Evening is when the sun rise, the sun is directly above our heads, the sun set. So evening is when, option number C is right, the sun sets. Okay, the sun sets. Second, we can tell the time. What we can tell the time with the help of a, option number A, clock, B, compass, C, calendar. Tell the time, clock. Option number A is right answer. Now third one, a shadow is shortest. A shadow is shortest. Option number A, in the morning. Option number B, at noon. And option number C, in the evening. What time is shadow or shortest? At noon. At noon. Okay. Now fourth one, a day has. Option number A, 8 hours. Option number B, 12 hours. And option number C, 24 hours. A day has 24 hours. Option number C is right. 24 hours. Okay. Now fifth one, a year has. A year has. Option number A, 362 days. B, 364 days. And C, 365 days. A year has Option number C is right answer, 365 days. Okay, 365 days. Is that clear? Draw the hands of the clock to show the time maintained below each. Look at the picture. Clock and show the time, short hand and long hand. So 5 o'clock mentions short hand. Short hand indicate 5 and long hand 12. What is time? 5 o'clock. 8 o'clock. So again mention short hand 8 and long hand 12. 8 o'clock. 10:30. Short hand 10 and 11 middle. Okay, and long hand 6. What is time? So 10:30. Okay. Now fifth one, answer the following questions. So first question is, name the different part of the day. Do you know, student, name the different part of the day? The answer is morning, noon, afternoon, evening and night are the different parts of the day. Once again, morning, evening, noon, afternoon and night are the different parts of the day. Now second question, what do we do at night? What do we do at night? We sleep at night. The answer is we sleep, S-L-E-E-P, sleep at night. Okay. Now question number third. What is a shadow? What is a shadow? A dark shape formed when something blocks light. Once again repeated. What is a shadow? The answer is a dark shape formed when something blocks light. Okay. Now fourth one. What do we use to tell the time? What do we use to tell the time? Clock. The answer is clock. Now fifth one. What do the two hands of the clock show? What do the two hands of the clock show? The answer is the long hand and short arrow that show the hours and minutes. The long and short arrows that show the hours and minutes. Long hand show the long hand show the minutes and short hand show the hour. Okay. Now question number 6. Name the month of a year. Do you know, students? Common questions. Name the months of a year. The answer is there are 12 months. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Is that clear? Now last question. Name the day of the week. Name the day of the week. There are 7 days. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay students. Day of the week. Day of the week poem. On Monday we stand up. On Monday we stand up. On Tuesday we stamp our feet. On Tuesday we stamp our feet. On Wednesday we wave our hand. On Wednesday we wave our hands. On Thursday we run around. On Thursday we run around. On Friday we jump up and down. On Friday we jump up and down. On Saturday we all sit down. On Saturday we all sit down. On Sunday we lie down and sleep all day. Repeated. Okay? And sleep all day. Repeated. On Monday we stand up. On Tuesday we stamp our feet. On Wednesday we wave our hands. On Thursday we run around. On Friday we jump up and down. On Saturday we all sit down. On Sunday we lie down and sleep all day. Repeated. Okay, so learn this poem. Okay students, learn this poem day and day of the week. Okay, if you did not completed it yet, so please complete this exercise in your book and practice it. Okay students, thanks for watching this video. Thank you and have a nice day.